Hello and welcome to TablePress app. In this video, we will see how to paste the shortcode. So, after copying the shortcode, the next step is to paste the shortcode. Let's see how to do that. Before doing the paste shortcode, first we need to enable the app. So let's enable the app by clicking the enable button. Here it will open one model in which it will show how to enable the app on the theme editor page. Let's go to the theme editor page. Click on go to theme editor button. As you can see on the theme editor page, in the app embed section, TablePress is already searched and enabled. We just need to click on save button. By doing this, our app will get connected to the store. Now for pasting the shortcode, first we need to select the page on which we need to display the table. So from here you can select the page. Right now I am selecting the home page only. Now go to the section, click on add section, select the custom liquid option. In custom liquid, paste the shortcode which we copied. Click on save. As it gets saved, the table will get displayed on the store. For verifying it on the live store, let's go to the live store. Click on 3 button, click on view. You can see the table is displayed. So in this way, you can display the table using the shortcode. Thank you.